Yes, guys, back with another video. Today we are experimenting with one of the most powerful tools on the Emu sampler that I have ever seen. And what it does is it mixes two sounds together. Guys, it will take two sounds and it will kind of do a kind of, I don't know, an offset between the two. And the sounds that are sort of where it differs, it kind of causes them to blend together and to create a really cool sound. Now I'm going to give you a quick example of what I did to get that. I've got this one sound, and I took this sound, which is also two Mentazms, merged them together on my Emu using the multi-transformer, I believe it is. Now let's give you an example of what that is real quick. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I had it here. Is it here? Is he going to find it? Let's see. There we go. Right, so it's called Transform Multiply. Transform Multiply. Transform Multiply, guys, is a tool that, hold on, let's find it. Let's go back. Transform multiplication. Yes, this function merges two sounds together in a unique way, which can create many stage and beautiful sonic textures. Frequencies common to the original sounds are accentuated, while uncommon frequencies are discarded. So it's like a proper blend up. Once they're all blend, guys, once it's all blended up, right? Once it's all blended up, guys, check this out. Now, before I do that, let me just take off any added effects that I added to it so you can hear what's going on, right? So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to take that off, and I'm just going to press the play button. Listen to this. And that was the two Mentazms put together. I took this, and it blended to make this. Now, with a bit of effects, look, Valhalla, I'm using Supermassive, which is brilliant plugin for echoes. And then I added some limiter from FabFilter's Limiter Pro L. And one good thing about using FabFilter's limiter is you can use it to be creative, because a limiter would hold your volume at one level no matter what. So what you can do, you can manipulate a sound, you can EQ it as well. This is to take it a step further, but we'll do another video about the limiter and the purposes that you can use it for creativity if you leave a comment down below. Guys, this is a serious function in this sampler. You don't want to miss it out. I'm going to do it. If you want to see a full video of me using this plugin in full detail, let me know. It's for those of you who nearly threw the whole thing down there. Look, for those of you who haven't seen it before, right? Check this out. You go to Tools 4, Xmult, and then you just pick the samples. There's two samples in there that you would use it with. I'm just going to undo what I did there now. It might take a little while, hopefully not. And I've got Mentazm sample 135, which is Mentazm pitch. I've got sample 136, which is Mentazm cod. Absolutely sick samples, yeah? So 135, 136. I go back to sample edit. I go to tools. I go to, sorry, before I do that, let me take it to sample 135, right? Because it wants the first sample there first. Then go to tools, go to X multiply, and then you get this thing up. It's real dead simple. You literally just go transform multiply, and you go second sample. You pick in second sample, you type 136, because I clocked that earlier. Bosh. And then it will tell you the length that the end sample will be if you mix the two, I believe. And this is an unbelievable feature. I don't know, guys, anywhere where you can do this. Some of you techno geeks who use a lot of plugins, you tell me where, or any plugin that you know that can simulate or emulate the Emu's way of doing this. and please comment down below in the chat box, because this is absolutely sick. You then press OK, and then it backs up the sample. Now this process takes a while, so this is something you can put on in the background. You can make new sounds. You can get 2 sounds from your synths. You could probably even merge drums, snares. The possibilities are quite endless to make new snares. I'm going to be experimenting with this quite a lot, guys, and I'm going to be printing all the sounds into my Renoise library for later use. Guys, if you're enjoying this video and you get anything out of this, guys, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if I get to 200 likes, guys, I will be giving away some of these convolving samples that I've been making here for you guys to download and use in your productions. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. Peace out.